Hi students, today let's learn the concept of factorization. Now before we start factorization, let's understand what are factors. So factors are number that divide a given number evenly without leaving a remainder. So we can say factors are numbers which divide a given number evenly without leaving a remainder. That means if suppose we have a number 4. Now if I divide 4 by 2, I get 2 and the remainder is 0. Suppose I take 6. Now 6 can be divided by 2, we'll get 3 and again the remainder is 0. So in this case what we can say is here 2 is a factor of 4. Similarly 2 is also a factor of 6. This we can understand in one more way, like suppose 6 can be written as 2 into 3 and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So now we can say 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Similarly 2 is a factor of 4. Clear? Now suppose if we take a number like 5x. So now 5x can be written as 5 multiplied by x. So again we can say 5 and x are the factors of 5x. Because if I divide 5x by 5, I get x and again the remainder is 0. Similarly, if I divide 5x by x, then I'll get 5 and again the remainder will be 0. So we can say x and 5 are the factors of 5x. Let's take one more example. Suppose if I take x square. So now I know x square can be written as x multiplied by x. So again we can say x is a factor of x square. So these are all few examples how we can find out the factors. Okay. So now let's come to factorization. As we have seen what are factors. Now when you have a question like factorize and you have been given a expression, so what we actually have to do is we have to find two numbers or two terms whose product is equal to the given expression. Now see the definition of factorization. Factorization is to find two or more terms. So we have to find two or more terms or expressions whose product is equal to the given expression. Now suppose we have a question where we need to factorize 5x plus 15. So now in this expression we have got two terms, 5x and 15. So for 5x the factors were 5 and x are the factors. We have seen it in previous examples. And if I take 15, then 3 into 5, or we can say 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Here they are the factors of 5x. But now we have to find the factors which are common for both 5x and 15, because our expression is 5x plus 15. So we have to find the factors of 5x plus 15. That means we need to find the common factor of 5x plus 15. So what we do now, see 5x plus 15. This can be written as 5 into x plus 5 into 3. So basically this is 5x and this is 15. So now see, now we have 5 common for both the terms. We have 5 common here and we have 5 common here. So what we can do is we can take 5 common for both the terms. So here we will have x plus here we will have 3. So now see, we have got two terms, 5 and x plus 3. So we can say factors of 5x plus 15 are 5 and x plus 3. 5 and x plus 3. So our answer will be 5 and x plus 3. So we can write 5x plus 15 is basically 5 into x plus 3, where 5 and x plus 3 are the factors. Now let's take one more example. Suppose we have 5x square minus 10x and we need to find the factors, or simply they will say factorize. So what we can do, 5x square minus 10x can be written as 5 into x minus 5 into 2 into x. Now see what all we have common. For the first term, we have x into x. Second term we also have 1x, and here we have 5 and here also we have 5. So what we can do, Yes, we can take this 5 and this x common. So what we'll get? X minus 2. So we'll get 5x into x minus 2. So factors for 5x square minus 10x will be 5x and x minus 2. Okay. So now let's come to the last example of this chapter. So let's take another question. 3x square y minus 6xy square plus 9xy. Now pay attention to this, students. If you understand this, you are almost through. Okay. So now let's see what we can write for this. So 3x square can be written as x into x y minus 6x y square is y into y plus 9xy. Now see what we can take common is we have xy, xy, xy in all the terms. So we can take xy common. So we will have 3x minus 6y plus 9. Okay. Now see we have this constants 3, 6, 9. So we can take 3 common from this. So when we take 3 common from this, we will have x minus 2y plus 3. So now we have the factors as 3xy and x minus 2y plus 3. So this is the answer. Okay students, hope you have enjoyed this video. So next class we will be doing factorization by grouping. Okay. So see you in the next class. Bye.